Hey guys, so welcome back to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to create folders in Gmail. So pretty much to do this process, first thing what you will do is open up any web browser into your computer. And from here, you can just simply go ahead and go to the Gmail at the top right corner over here. And now once you are on your email, in order for you to create a folder, we could utilize the feature of the Gmail labels over here. So first, go to create new label over here. So here, when creating a new label, guys, you will just simply enter a new name. I'm gonna go for Delph Stack, and actually, you can go for the nice label under. So pretty much, this is a drop down if you want to be more specific, as you can see over here. But we're not gonna do that. So from here, to create a folder, select create over here. And once you have done that, as you can see, we now have our folder. Now to put some email on this folder, we could go for the search bar over here. So for example, I am going to put all of my email over here on click up. And from here, as you can see, these are all of the click app email that I have. I could just simply select a few. And of course, if you want to select all, you can do that as well by clicking on this one. But now from here, you can just simply go ahead and go for the labels once you have selected your preferred email. And of course, you could go ahead and go for the Delph stack over here. And after that, select apply over here. And when you go to the Delph stack, as you can see, automatically it will be over here. So pretty much that's the simplest way. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.